Today, we're making bazlama, Turkish flatbread that's so delicious and versatile, you'll want to make it over and over again. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. 160 milliliters of warm milk, 160 milliliters of warm water, 10 grams of instant dry yeast, 10 grams of sugar, 500 grams of plain flour, 8 grams of salt, 18 grams, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, melted unsalted butter, crushed red pepper, chopped parsley for topping. Start by mixing 160 milliliters of warm milk with 160 milliliters of warm water. Make sure it's warm, not hot, to activate the yeast perfectly. Add 10 grams of instant dry yeast and 10 grams of sugar. Give it a good mix and let it sit for a few minutes until it becomes frothy. In a separate bowl, combine 500 grams of plain flour with 8 grams of salt. Mix it well. This helps distribute the salt evenly throughout the dough. Now, pour the yeast mixture into the flour. Mix everything together until it starts to come together as a dough. Once the flour is well incorporated, add 18 grams, about 3 tablespoons, of olive oil. Massage the dough until the oil seeps in. This step is crucial for getting that silky, smooth texture. Cover the dough with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Let it ferment in a warm place until it doubles in size, about an hour. Ideally, keep it at 36 to 40 degrees Celsius for the perfect rise. Look at that! Perfectly risen. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts and fold each piece inward to release any gas. Roll them into smooth balls. Cover them with plastic wrap again to keep them from drying out. Sprinkle a little flour and flatten each ball with a roller. Gently push with even pressure to get a round, pretty shape, about 18 centimeters in diameter and 5 millimeters thick. Heat up a pan over medium heat. Check if it's hot enough by sprinkling a little water. If it sizzles, you're ready. Place the dough on the pan. When bubbles form, flip it over. Once the underside starts to turn golden, flip it again. It should start to puff up. That's when you know it's perfect. After cooking on both sides, keep them covered with a cloth to stay soft and warm. Now, for the best part, brush with melted unsalted butter or olive oil. For an extra kick, sprinkle some crushed red pepper and a bit of chopped parsley. Look at that! Soft, fluffy, and just a little crispy. This bazlama is the perfect companion to any meal. Use it as a sandwich pocket, wrap it around grilled meat, or just enjoy it on its own. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments how you paired your bazlama.